If you're an online seller, you already know what a grind it is to be putting out content. Between the doing the research, between the filming, the editing, the posting, it's basically a full-time job in itself. We do know how important it is, especially if you're trying to get your products out there and sell, or if you're doing affiliate deals or anything like that. Forget about hiring content creators. Like if you're just starting out small to medium size, it's going to cost you more money than you're going to make. And at TSU, you know, we're all about execution over excuses. So we're always trying to find systems and strategies to implement with our clients in order to free up more time for them to get back and working on their business versus actually working in their business. When I came across TopView AI and all the tools that they have over there, I knew I had to test them out. And I came across this viral video agent tool that's in beta testing right now. I had to test it out. This thing is a game changer. It's powered by OpenAI Sora 2, so you know the video quality is going to be crazy good. And after testing it, I had to make a video. So I partnered up with TopView on this video to show you how amazing this tool is. I'm going to do a live demo with you here in a minute, but essentially what this thing does is it automatically recreates viral videos, but branded for your products. Don't need to learn how to edit, don't need to hire anybody. Just put a link and a reference photo, or a video and a reference photo, and that's it. It does all the work. Let me show you how amazing this tool is. I'm going to open the viral video agent here. You can see it got a little prompt up here and some reference videos that you can look through. And essentially all I'm going to do, I'm going to grab a video. I'm going to find a reference photo or another product that I want to sell. Like if I'm an Amazon affiliate, and go grab it from there, or TikTok shop or whatever. I'm going to go to electronics. It's nice that they have this platform here. You can see like all the different, you know, views, the likes, the click-through rates. You can even filter through by there. But these headphones, I actually want to check these out. So I'm going to go ahead and click recreate here, and that's going to pop that video right up there. And now I'm going to go find another product that I want to use. So bone conduction headphones, we're just going to grab these first ones by Raycon right here. 13-hour playtime. Yep, that sounds fantastic. So I'm going to grab that picture. I'm going to grab a link, and I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to go ahead and put that link in there, and I'm going to grab this picture that I just downloaded. We're going to put that in there. It's going to analyze the link, and you can see that I didn't really even need to put a photo in there because it pulled photos from the link, and it's going to analyze all the key details of that product so it can accurately describe the product in the video. I'm telling you, this thing is crazy. So I'm not even going to touch the prompt, the default prompt that it puts in there. I just put the video, the reference video, put the link, and grab the images and all the data it needs, and I'm just going to hit go. And then you'll see on the left here, it's going to open up timeline, a work timeline, and it's going to review everything. It's going to ask you, sometimes ask you to verify stuff, sometimes it won't. It might have all the information it needs. So you can see right here, it's already telling me it needs confirmation required. So I'm going to go look through this little list right here. I'm going to say, okay, we got the Raycon. I can name it whatever I want it to be called in the video. It asks me like, what's your product users? Who's your key demographic? What's your product selling point? So open ear design, right? It's talking about an ear, all of the above, any top countries or video script languages, and then the aspect ratio if you want short form. So if you want 1080 by 1920, which is like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, all that stuff, or you want long form video. I'm going to go ahead and go with the vertical footage on this. So I verified that, and now it's thinking of a plan here. There's the video brief, talks about the key selling points, target audience. So it literally went and grabbed all that information from the link I put in there, including the pictures, and now it's analyzing it, and it's seeing what's in the current video, and it's going to now come up with a game plan outline. If I have to review it, I just hit confirm, and then it'll pop out a video. This thing is pretty sick. So it's been about maybe 1 to 2 minutes, and it spit out this video storyboard. So it's going to lay out what the video is going to look like here. So you see it's got the video summary, story structure, UGC shots, intro, demo, where on, reactions, whatever. But then it shows you the actual shots it's going to put in there. So now it's asking me to verify that the storyboard is acceptable, and then it will continue. I'll click that button. So it spit out this video here, and then you can see it's asking me if we're good to proceed, if I need to make some changes or generate a new video. Take a quick peek, and then we'll do a side-by-side. That looks pretty good.
Super lightweight, secure, and the sound is clear.
They vibrate on the bone.
I mean, with the music and everything, tell me that doesn't look like a legit shot. And the call to action at the end there with the nice shot there. That's pretty sick. And think about it. We didn't put any prompts in. We didn't do anything like that. All we did was put the video reference and the link, right? And it grabbed the pictures, it grabbed everything it needed. We'll do a quick side-by-side. We'll see what that looks like.
They're bone conducting headphones. They sit in front of your ears, not in your ears, so you can hear around you.
They sit in front of your ears. Stay aware.
Oh my god, they are super lightweight.
Wow. Super lightweight, secure, and the sound is clear.
They vibrate on the bone, not in your ear.
Notice they sit in front of my ear. They don't actually sit in my ear. These are bone conduction headphones, so they vibrate against the little bone right here.
So let's say you have a product in mind. I'm going to use this webcam, or my camera I have right here, as an example, because I do get asked often which camera I use and or would I recommend it. And yes, I would absolutely recommend it. You can come in here and you can check last 7 days, 30 days. You can filter out by the type of industry, just different types of filters you can use here. And essentially, this is on TikTok One, or this is like supposed to be the new Creative Center, TikTok Creative Center. Whatever way you like to research your video content for what you're going to put out, you can do the same thing, just like check for specific products. If you're like an Amazon affiliate, I know you're going to go find the products that are selling first and then try to come and find a video for that as well. So I'm just giving you a quick example of how easy it is. You can go and find a product to sell, or if you have one, to find a video to match it.
Some short form content.
Yeah, this will work. All right, so I downloaded the video and I got it uploading here. I got that video uploaded, so we're gonna go ahead and grab the link for this camera here. All right, so you see it imported all these photos. So now what we want to do is actually avoid using photos with any people in them, because it will flag it and it will deny it. I think we should be good. So then I'll hit apply. Again, I just I found a video on TikTok One or Creator Center, and I grabbed that video, I downloaded it, I uploaded it instead of putting the link, just to do a different approach here. Then I went and grabbed the link off of Amazon for this camera, and I'm again putting no prompts in. I'm just gonna hit run, and it's gonna go through the same process. So I'll probably just cut to the end part here. All right, so we got our video here. Let's check it out.
360 link. With 4K clarity backed by a 1/2-inch sensor, this isn't your typical webcam. This thing tracks your every move. No more adjusting, no more interruptions. Link uses AI to track your face, but it also uses it to understand gestures that you can use to control Link. Need to film some short form content? No problem. You hit a button and it goes vertical. And if it couldn't get any better, now with a new update, you can control Link with your phone. And if you want to learn more about the Insta360 link, you can check it out in my link tree.
This is OBSBot 4K clarity on a 1/2-inch sensor. This isn't your typical webcam. It tracks me automatically and understands gestures. Need vertical? One tap. Mounted upside down, portrait, or horizontal. Plus OSC, SDK, Stream Deck, hotkeys. Get OBSBot, link in bio.
That wasn't bad. I can see a couple areas for improvement there, but I mean, overall, I mean, again, no context provided. I also have another comparison I wanted to show you. I'm just going to show you the side by side. We already get the process here. If you guys want to check this out, you can just go to TopView.ai, and it should be right on the home screen like I showed you. Or if you want, you just go to agent.topview.ai, or click the link in the description, and it will take you straight there. I think this tool and the other tools that they offer are going to be game changers. So this is still in beta testing, and you can see how great it is, and this is no context or anything like that. So I'm really hoping that this continues to develop more. Going to be a little preview of some TSU merch that'll be coming out. So we're going to do a comparison of those two.
I try my best to go on morning runs to stay healthy and strong. But since it's getting cold outside, I've been making mad excuses. But someone has to carry the boats. So I decided to invest in one of these heated hoodies from Volsay. It's perfect for my runs, and the best part is I literally have no more excuses. Cop one now before the early winter offer ends.
I try my best to start early to stay focused and grow, but excuses creep in. But someone has to build the business, so I committed to the No Excuses hoodie, symbol of accountability, execution over excuses, no excuses. Own your execution. Get yours.
I'm pretty impressed by this tool, but I am curious to know what your thoughts are. What's the user experience like? Does it seem like it's easy enough to use? Do you think it's a tool that you would use? If you have tried it, let me know what the results were. What do you think about the quality of the videos, especially after looking at the side-by-side there and seeing what little work actually went into it? And so if you think about actually putting some good prompts together and some better reference, imagine what type of video you can get from it. So I think this is a tool that can create some good efficiencies and buy back some time in our lives and in our business, which I know we're all busy in. So that's always the goal, right? Is to buy back more time so then we can continue to develop and grow our businesses. Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't seen this video right here, you might as well go ahead and click that, because YouTube thinks that that's going to be a video that you want to see. I'll catch you guys on the next one.